Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to draw an Amberjack or an AJ. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and the sub button. Let's get right to this video.
Alright, first we're going to start for our, I think it was called an Amberjack. It's going to be the head. So we're going to draw a circle right here. Two lines that go all the way out here. The tail fin, a line right here that goes up. Goes all the way down to here. Same thing right there. Fin, another fin, and then some fins right there. And then we're gonna draw two lines that go to here like that. We're gonna draw the eye right here, and another circle. A line, curves like this, then a line right there. Then two lines right here. Then a curved line right here goes to here. The line here that goes all the way down, and it curves up, and then it goes all the way up right here, and a line right here, and then you can make it go all the way down over there. We'll draw a line that goes all the way down here. Another one right here. It goes all the way over here. Then it goes in and then out, and it goes all the way out here. Curves back in, and it goes all the way out right there. Then we're going to draw fin like that, how we did for the sketch, and just draw a bunch of lines in it. And we're going to draw spike, so it gets significantly smaller. Then we're draw one of the fins, so we're going to draw a backwards C. A line that goes up to here, and it curves, and then some lines. Then we're going to draw a fin with some lines. And then guess what? We're gonna draw another fin with some lines. Then, why did I add a fin right there? I don't know why I added a fin right there. There was no fin right there. We're gonna draw same thing right here. We're just make it go all the way here with some lines, of course. And then this line that we drew across half the body is gonna go out to here and curve, and then with some more lines, but this is going to be darker up here than up here, so like it's down here. It's going to be lighter, so it's going to be like white, and this is going to be like a really dark gray, and like I'm going to color in some stuff that's going to be like really dark, so like this, some of the fins, this entire top part, I'm just going to color in them in, so it makes it just easier for me, like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you your colors. And then once I do, I'm going to outline. So colors you're gonna need are gonna be, this is gonna be your grays. Need to put them somewhere safe where I'm not gonna lose all the positions. Okay, I'm not gonna lose the positions. Sorry, just talking to myself, like per usual. So then you're gonna need two yellows, from what I know, two yellows. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it. So all your grays, I do not want to show again because I have a feeling I'm going to lose the position. I can try my best. All your grays and your two yellows. Yeah, those should be all your colors. So yeah, let's get your outline marker and let's get coloring and outlining. Ka-chow! So yeah, this should be what your AJ or your Amberjack should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in. I should sign it. Okay, I'm not gonna sign it yet. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.